All right, welcome back to another episode with myself, Luke. So I hope you're having a fantastic week. We are midway through of this week, coming towards the end of March. So can we expect big things coming up in the month of April? Is the bull market still on? I'm going to bring some news with that, and also some technicals to look at with the Bitcoin price. If you're trading, if you're investing, then stay tuned. And again, please read the disclaimer below. I'm not a financial expert or advisor. This is all just speculative opinion. Been in the market for about 7-8 years in Bitcoin, in crypto, and made mistakes along the way, made a lot of profit along the way, but like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. So if you trade, if you invest, it's all on you. So please read the disclaimer below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit that like button as well, it's all good for the algorithm. So last time on my video, we spoke about what you can see on my on the chart. We have to, I should say, break above these key levels of resistance. And right now, we are hitting some key levels of resistance, acting out right now over the last 3 days. We're struggling to break through that $88,000 level to the 90k level. So you can see back here in March, and then of course we've had that sideways action since November, and we've got that resistance back here at the beginning and mid November. So yes, this trade I spoke about, we did break through it from the resistance here at 84,500, and we're on course to our target of 90,000. If you've taken this trade, congratulations, you would be up right now. What percentage would you be up right now? A few percent, yeah, almost 4% in the profits. Not much, but if you take it all the way to the top, it'll be about 8%. So we are hitting some resistance right now, and yeah, maybe because we're coming to the end of March, going into April, but let's see. So with some of this news that I've just been reading on the Cointelegraph, the Bitcoin must break this level to resume bull market, as 2.4 billion in Bitcoin leaves exchanges. So Bitcoin exchange outflows have risen to the highest level since last July, and the BTC price must reclaim a key weekly EMA level. I'm going to look at the EMA ribbons in just a second. So Bitcoin exchange outflows hit a 7-month high. I was just reading it here, since yesterday, the highest daily outflow since July the 31st of last year, and the US spot Bitcoin ETFs continue with outflow streaks, suggesting that institutional demand is making a comeback. So the question is the Bitcoin bull run about to resume? I think so, but that's just my opinion. And just looking down here, the positives, it's a positive turn. Spot Bitcoin ETF flows take a positive turn. Another sign of major investors buying BTC again is the continuation of capital flows into the spot Bitcoin ETF since March 14th. ETFs have taken a positive turn since then, and the altcoins as well have been in the green. Nothing like majorly over the top with the altcoins, but as you can see here from this tweet, there've been over 7 straight days with more money moving back into Bitcoin. So this is the first streak of this length in 2025. So coming towards the end of March, are we going to have a big rally over the next few days? And then in April, are we going to see some major price swings, or a major price shift in the Bitcoin price? I think we could. It would be interesting to see if we go towards that banana zone, that banana phase of Bitcoin over the next 5 weeks before we hit into May. What's interestingly, I was listening to Raoul Pal on one of his podcasts, and it's almost a carbon copy of what happened when Trump got into power, in terms of the financial system back in 2017-18, with this time he got in with the financial. If you just compare the two, the first quarter, things obviously took a hit, and then going into the second quarter, things usually pick up and so on. So yeah, I think going into April, the second quarter, we should. I mean, the bull run isn't over. I still think this year will be the parabolic rise. It doesn't feel like it at the moment because a lot of people have just jumped out of crypto. If we just go over here, the fear and greed index actually is back at 34%, which is a good thing. If you've been buying in extreme fear and we're still in the fear zone, then fair play to you. But sooner, I think very, very soon, we should see this flip very, very quickly to the greed and maybe even extreme greed over the next 3 to 5 weeks. I would not be surprised if that happens. Bitcoin rallies back to its all-time high and beyond over the next, I reckon over the next month or two, maybe maximum 3 months, we could easily be at new all-time highs with Bitcoin. And of course, the altcoins are going to absolutely tank along with it. So I did say that we'll look at the EMA ribbons. If we go to because it was on this this website, the Cointelegraph, it was talking about the 20 weekly exponential moving average, so the EMA ribbon, currently at 88,628. Bitcoin price must flip this level into support to continue the bull run. So this is something that I was just looking at before filming this. If we go to the weekly, if we just zoom in, what's interesting as well, so yes, as you can see, the EMA, we don't want to break below the 50 exponential moving average. If that happens, it's not good news for Bitcoin because we haven't broken below that 50 EMA ribbon in a very long time. I mean, if we just go back here all the way, probably in the bear market. So we don't want to break below the 50 EMA ribbon. That would probably indicate we're going back into a bear market. And right now we want to push past that 20 EMA moving average to flip back into that bullish sentiment going forward. So hopefully this is not like a dead cat bounce, but we do break through it, and then we can start talking about the all-time high and also the price targets that I've been talking about a lot on my channel. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Please smash up the like button, and I will see you with more videos later this week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.